Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. So today I'm going to make roasted fresh garbanzo beans. They are in season right now. They're absolutely fresh and amazing to snack on. Fresh garbanzo beans are nutritional powerhouses offering high protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc and magnesium. Not just the ones I just mentioned, there's more. It supports digestion, heart health, blood sugar control and the most important, weight management. All these benefits while being a versatile, low-fat, plant-based protein source. It's great for vegetarian diets and reducing saturated fat intake. It is the easiest snack to make, just requires 3 ingredients to make this. What are we waiting for? Let's see how it's done. So now my favorite time, tasting time. So I'll just taste one and I'm sure this is going to taste amazing. This is exactly how you peel or pop the edamame beans. Extremely tasty, amazing. My today's 2 cents is on plant-based protein. The fun fact is the plant-based proteins help you build the muscle, decreasing the chances of cancer or any other diseases. So there is no need to even worry about protein intake as long as you eat whole plant foods and get enough calories. I'm going to keep today's video very short and sweet. Until I see you guys next Saturday at 9 AM PST. You guys take care and enjoy your life, guys. Bye.